Good morning, my name is Harshith. I joined QSpiders in February 2025. By the time it's May now, and I am placed in a company which is in Hyderabad. I have opted for the course called Python Full Stack Development. Based on this course and the learning which I got here, I got a job of Python developer for the full time, and mainly focusing on the things of academics in QSpiders. I gained the hands-on experience on coding and the voice of doubt which I had in particular topics. The mock interviews and the presentation over here helped me to overcome the fear of interview which I had before, and it was a major void in my skill. And based on the quality of teaching here, I got this job, and I have currently I have a 3.1 LPA. Thank you, QSpiders, for making me to crack this job. Thank you.